How to check BSNL network strength in your area or location. Hello dear friends. These days several users are porting their SIM cards to BSNL. You might also be thinking about it, but please stop a few moments before moving to BSNL. You must know the BSNL network strength in your area. To check BSNL network strength in your area, follow the steps. Open a browser. And go to the website nperf.com. Once you access the website, tap on Maps from the menus. Select Coverage Map. Select your country in this drop-down. Mine is selected. Choose one carrier. BSNL Mobile. In this search box, type the address of your location. And press enter. In my area, there is no network coverage. Click on the zoom icon to see clearly. In this location, there is no network coverage. This is under network coverage. This is under network coverage. This is under network coverage. So check once the network coverage or network strength and make sure that network is available in your area. On your mobile phone, tap on browser icon. Type nperf.com and press enter. Tap on three lines icon. Select coverage map. Country is selected by default. Tap on carrier and select BSNL mobile. Type the address of your location. And press enter. There is no coverage in my location. Similarly, check on yours. That's all friends. Thank you for watching the video.